Welcome to today's series of what I learned as a chef. 10 years in the kitchen did not just teach me how to cook. It taught me discipline in a way nothing else has taught. Because in the kitchen, excuses do not survive heat. Discipline starts before service. It starts when you arrive early, when your knife is sharp before anyone asks, when your station is ready before the first ticket prints, but preparation protects you when pressure comes. The kitchen does not care about your mood. When the ticket prints, you move. When the pan is hot, you act. If you hesitate for 5 seconds, you pay for it for the next 30 minutes. Discipline is speed, not panic. Control. Discipline means accepting mistakes. No excuses, no blaming others. If it is wrong, you fix it, even if it costs you time. Professionals protect standards, not ego. The real discipline shows after service. When you are tired, when your feet hurt, and you still clean your station properly. Excellence is not what you do when nobody watch. It is what you repeat when nobody does. 10 years in the kitchen built confidence inside me. Calmness through repetition, strength through routine. Discipline removes fear because you trust your preparation. And once you master discipline in the kitchen, you can master it anywhere. Like and follow for the next lesson. Share this with someone who loves cooking. This series continues tomorrow. Cooking Smarter with Chef Missy.